lovies, how are you? I am on set today at Fox 40. I'm going to be doing a segment on summer essentials, and I have all my stuff set up here. Made it to the show. Going to be starting in just a moment. Look at those lovely ladies. I don't know. Oh, you're dancing. I just finished my segment and went really well. Now I'm going to go in the studio and grab all my stuff and head on home. Good evening, my loves. It's not really evening. I don't know. It's been a long day. Good day. I want to show you my little outfit today because I switched the shoes recently. I had a segment this morning and I was wearing this with white heels, and I'm going to bring them down so I can show you what it looked like when I was wearing that. But I love this little jumper. I just got it from ModCloth. Thank you, ModCloth, for sending this to me. It's adorable. First of all, is pockets, and they're flowery. They're so pretty. And the lapel has the same print, and it's just so pretty. I know that it doesn't really matter because I'm not able to really see that from the outside, but I don't care. I think it's so pretty when things have details like that. So I popped this on. It has a little crisscross on the back, and I put it on top of a white shirt that has some letters, but thank God it covered it up and it just made it look nice and cute. I love this because you can pair this with so many things. You could pop on so many different shirts underneath it and make it work for whatever event you have. If it's more of a dressy event, you can put on a long sleeve jumpsuit. That's a really nice, beautiful color. You can put any color of t-shirt underneath it. You could even put a collared t-shirt or collared shirt that you can roll up the sleeves and make it a little more preppy and more appropriate for work or school. It's just so cute. It's versatile. The fabric is amazing and it's very affordable. I popped it on after my segment. I couldn't handle my heels to do all my housework and all of the things that I had to do today, so I put on my red salt waters, which are now available on ModCloth. I got these at Nordstrom, but I love these because they're so comfortable. Such a great little summer atuendo, that's outfit. For the jewelry, I did this Alex and Ani music little bracelet, my pearls, and my statement baguette. And for my makeup, I hardly have any on today, or right now. I did it really nice for the segment, but it kind of wore off. But it just was very, very, very natural. And with, obviously, my favorite matte shaker of all time, Nudes and Roses. Is that what it's called? Oh my gosh, I'll link it down below. You can see how much it lasts because I've had it since 6:30 a.m. this morning. Anyway, that's my outfit. Very, very excited and pleased with it today. Okay, I just ran upstairs to get my white heels. I just got these. These are Vince Camuto, and I got them at DSW for a really good deal. So I'm going to try to find them and link them down below. If I can't find them, I'll leave something that is similar. I had not bought just a staple white pump, and I was checking out some expensive options, but then I said, you know what, white is such a color that I just want to make sure that I do something that I can actually afford right now and not get myself into a thing where I save up for a very expensive brand and then I end up like scuffing them or whatever. But anyway, I love this outfit. It was so cute on camera, on TV today, and it also just like, I don't know, I just feel like so chic and just cute, but it's so comfortable, guys. It's so comfortable. Let's look at what I got from ModCloth. I am so happy about ModCloth. They are great brand. They are only online. They have the most beautiful retro looking clothes on their website, and they're just so cute, so cute. The first thing that I received is this yellow dress, and they're letting me keep 3 of the items, so I'm so grateful, excited, and thankful. Thank you, ModCloth. This one's called Sunny Girl, and it's such a beautiful color. I thought I wanted to try it with my new platinum hair because I used to think I couldn't wear yellow, but I think that with this hair, it totally looks super cute. And it has this little tie waist thing here. And it just looks really pretty. All right, let's see. This one is, oh, so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is a adorable little skirty pie. And look, I love when clothes have really cute detail. This is not the part that you see. So this is like a little jumper, and you can put a shirt underneath this. But I just love like the fact that there even is something in the back that looks super pretty. Oh, I thought this was so cute. What a great print. That's so summery and beautiful and vacation-y. This one's so cute with a little bow. That's adorable. And this one's one of the ones that I'm keeping. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's got little sheep and a little bow. Oh, that's so pretty.
I really want to try that one-on-one.
Haley, these are for big kids. This is adorable. I love this print, and these colors together are so yummy. And then it's just like a really comfy jersey material on the top, which I love, especially in the summer when you're hot and bothered. So cute. It comes with a little red belt. Again, that color, so pretty. I love this color. Oh my gosh. And this is really nice. I love the little buttons right here. That's a really nice detail. And then it has this little red belt that goes around the waist. And another one that I'm keeping, which I'm excited about, is this mustard yellow. I love this color because it's so elegant. And this has just this Peter Pan collar. I think anytime you get something that has this collar on it, it's just so elevated and pretty and beautiful. And it goes out like this. This type of dress is super flattering. It just gives a really nice silhouette to the body. Thank you so much to ModCloth. I love you. Thank you.